Do you want to know how to move into Disney housing without spending all of your money at once? Don't worry, I'll tell you how. Check out this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. In case this is your first time watching, I was a CP and a CRP for Germany. So moving into Disney housing for us internationals is a bit on the expensive side, because unless some of the CPs who are from the US, we only arrive with one big suitcase and a carry-on, maybe 2 suitcases, and that's it. And moving into Disney housing, even though it's all furnished, you need a bunch of stuff so you can really get settled and start your program right. So here are a couple of tips and tricks on how to do it. First is going to throwouts. This is usually something every pavilion does, or every country does for themselves. So for example, we Germans, whenever somebody's about to leave because their program is over, they have a throwout and post it in our Facebook group. So they're usually telling you when it's gonna be, like what time, what day, which apartment complex, which apartment number, and when you can show up. Plus they usually tell you what they have, like, oh god, hangers, coffee makers, coffee machines, kettles, a lot of even more hangers. So everything that they have bought or gathered within the year, but they can't take back home with them anymore. So sometimes they give it away for free, sometimes if it's like a TV or something, they sell it to you. But other than that, also talk maybe to some of the CRP about to go home and ask them if they're about to sell anything or can give you anything for free that they don't need anymore. So option number 2 is joining all the Facebook groups there are for secondhand things or reselling things. Every single complex has a Facebook resale group. So down below I have all the links to every single one of them that are cast member groups who are selling things that they don't need anymore. Sometimes it's souvenirs, sometimes it's things from home, well, anything you need for your home. So check them out down below and get yourself a good price and a good deal and everything you need. Option number 3 is good old dollar store. Hold on, is it dollar store? Is it Dollar Tree? There are so many dollar stores in the US, but there is one super close to Vista. So if you don't live at Vista, just take the bus and you can walk there from Vista. It's by the Starbucks, I guess. Everybody knows where Starbucks is. So there is a Dollar Tree, I think that's what it is. And you can get anything there for just $1. They have cleaning supplies, they have kitchen supplies like container boxes, like Tupperware boxes. They have everything you need. They even have food and drinks and snacks and cosmetics, I guess. Well, decoration, they have a lot of great decoration, especially for any holiday, but also if you just want to make your little apartment or your bedroom pretty, they have a bunch of like lights and stickers, so you can really make your bedroom a home for yourself. So was this video helpful? I hope it was. Make sure to check out all the links I posted down below in the description. Also, please give it a thumbs up or and leave a comment down below if it helped you. Also, if you have any ideas or wishes about the topics you would like me to talk about in my future videos, don't be shy. Let me know down in the comments below. I'll check it out and most likely I'll make it a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.